Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Skyscanner affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Skyscanner affiliate program, start by visiting the Skyscanner affiliate website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in the registration form with all required details. Make sure to provide valid information about your website or platform. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Submit your application for review. Wait for Skyscanner to approve your application. Once approved, log in to your affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find your unique affiliate ID. Take note of this ID, as you will need it to track your referrals. Explore the variety of promotional tools and banners available for affiliates. Choose the tools that best fit your platform and audience. Copy the affiliate links provided for the services you want to promote. Incorporate these links into your website or marketing content. Test the links to ensure they redirect properly to Skyscanner's services. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard to track clicks and conversions. Utilize the resources provided by Skyscanner to maximize your marketing efforts. Stay updated on any changes or new promotions announced by Skyscanner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.